Hello my darlings, welcome to my kitchen. It's time to cook again. So here we are. Today I'm preparing a chicken liver adobo recipe. So be with me and let's cook this very tasty, delicious dish. So basically this chicken liver, we start by cleaning it up. And then in a pan we'll add oil, and then I have already the prepared garlic, ginger and onion. So basically we'll start by sauteing them together. Then we're going to add the chicken liver, and we're gonna stir it until the water comes out, and we have to stir it and simmer for a while. So there we go. We'll just stir it until the water will come out and the color change. So while we simmer to cook, I just want to share some potential health benefits of chicken liver according to webmd.com. So it says the chicken liver is rich source of protein. It also acts as a great choice when striving for a balanced diet. So some health benefits include weight management, which depending on how it's cooked, chicken liver is a filling, low-calorie food. When simmered, the average serving of chicken liver has 73 calories. So next health benefit is blood health. Your body's red blood cells need iron and vitamins to transport oxygen and prevent conditions like anemia. So with its iron and vitamin content, the chicken liver can help combat vitamin B12 deficiency. Isn't it great? So the other health benefits is the heart health. Chicken liver contains selenium, a mineral that helps to prevent and manage cardiovascular conditions such as heart disease, stroke, and high cholesterol. By the way, I'm adding the seasonings now. The peppercorn, soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sugar. Adding a little bit of sugar is optional, so it's really up to you if you want to add a little bit of sugar or not. Okay, so we're on the next health benefits of chicken liver is organ health. It is often called a superfood. Chicken liver is packed to the brim with nutrients to keep your body healthy. Vitamin A helps protect your vision and eye health, strengthen your immune system, and helps organs like the kidneys and heart function properly. Last step is to add 2 teaspoons vinegar or the amount of vinegar that you prefer. And take note, once you add the vinegar, do not stir. Just let it simmer for a while and it's all ready. na! Our chicken liver adobo is ready. Let's eat!